Oh, y'all. I just, Y'all might like it. Some of y'all might say something. Y'all might say I'm stupid, but I'm taking a risk, man.
Yo, doing lifestyle. Don't forget, subscribe to Doing Lifestyle. Let's go. Check out my page, the box on 8. The paint still wet, look like it just got sprayed. I got the bubble too, I set it on 6. I got a Suburban too, with them 30s on that.
That bump.
Yeah. All right. All right.
I think that thing real loose.
All right. All right. All right. Let me fly.
Pliers.
Yeah.
What them pliers I had? Alright, y'all, we out here working, man.
Oh, 716, right?
716 range. Got my boy out here today. 716. Do I even got a 716? I need those pliers. Them pliers, dear. Hey, what you doing?
Stop.
You better stop. Yeah, you stop. Trying to get this mug on time, man. Got my boy E here with me.
Yeah. Yeah, we been to crank it.
I didn't know the fuel line was on his left side over here. He said it was a 301. Honey,
This,
yeah, them the fuel line. Cause they said they had a 301 something in here.
this the main fuel line.
That's the main one. The plugs over. I mean the fuel pump over here.
Okay, well you got to have a long hole.
Yeah, I just want to know.
This the main one.
Okay.
This one right here. This one with that little thing on. And we just plug it off. Or either you can run both of them over there.
Okay, I'm gonna get you to show me that when we in a minute. So I ain't need this.
Whatever.
This was connected to some over there. To the distributor or something. Do like I did right here. Put something between it.
Okay. Go in there and try it.
Come on, Leo.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh.
Trying to keep the switch back. Or just hold it right there.
All right. Come on up here.
Huh?
Come on up here.
Hold on, y'all. Uh-oh.
Yeah. And this here at the first one over there.
Yep.
Number 2. Okay.
I don't even know if it's gas in the tank, but I got some starter fluid. I don't know if that'll work. Hey, why you in that yard? Why you in that yard? Come on for that dog get you. Here go dog. Huh?
When I went to the inside, I had to tell people.
Which one?
Oh, need something to put in that copper.
Like
You
what?
got no lawnmower gas?
Starter fluid. No, I haven't sprayed my last one.
Let me see the spray.
Starter fluid. I'm probably have to run to the store and get some gas. Unless I can run up there and grab some gas. Think that gas be better?
Get her back and turn it off.
Come here, lady. Watch out. Come on. Get up here. All right.
Wait a minute. All right. All right. Oh, man. All right, turn. Oh, do it again. Oh. Let me see if this thing getting on fire.
Yes, sir, man. We out here working, man.
That corn, the corn might not be no good. Come on, turn. I know we took that cap off. That boy had a problem with all head down the strip cap.
That coil?
Yeah, that corn. That the strip with the cap. I remember he had took 3 or 4 of these motherfuckers off. And now 3 of them were bad. And I believe that's the one he put on there, cause the one was on this car was busted. And it was good cause this motor was cranking.
Right.
And I don't believe that the margin went bad and just that fast. This cap, it's not gonna be any good. You got all in time in why 1, 8, 4, 3, 6, 5, 7, 2. This number 1 right here. This number 1.
Okay. Yep, I remember this.
You ain't gotta do that. All you gotta do is listen. All you gotta do, you don't wanna get none of your wires messed up. All you gotta do is do this, though. All you gotta do, take 1 bolt, that little bolt there, slide the cap up off there. This little bolt, that little bolt. They about a 7 or 8 millimeter. And then you need the whole transmission line.
Okay.
Cause I'm trying to rig that shit up and get down the street and go to leaking and shit, and they ain't making no sense. But that's all you need, man. I'm gonna go back and try to take my car, tear my car on down.
All
I
right.
gotta take my alternator off.
We're gonna ride in here.
We're gonna ride here.
Yeah, we're gonna ride in here.
I'm gonna get the barrel back out.
Oh yeah. All right, guys. So yep, that's what we need, man. Just a couple hoses. I'm gonna have to take some pictures so I know what kind of couple hoses. Watch out, Leia.
I'm sorry, man.
Watch out.
No, she all right. I got to walk while I'm going.
Couple hoses and that's it. I'm gonna have to get some fire coat.
Yeah, I just got to walk while I'm going.
Yeah.
Chill, gonna be chill. Show them. I mean, we got to watch out for the chill.
That's right. I got the.
Okay.
You look, yeah, I got the ply right here.
Okay.
He's- He said the show was a.
No, they don't know what they got.
I think they're Delta. Alea, come here.
307 got small plug. You didn't know that? 307 got small plug.
But I had that Delta. It had them same big plug.
It did?
Yep.
That go on with the flow wood, though.
Yep. Yeah, man, we in this Chevrolet today. A gray one today. Man, that sun beaming.
When that blue one tell the wheel.
Oh, that blue one?
Yeah.
I ain't just spent out in it. But, you know what I'm saying? I got it back the other day. I was just cruising in it. All right, y'all. So, man, the distributor cap ain't no good. So, we're going to have to go get another one and get some hoses and shit for it and go from there, man. But, yeah, I'm in this gray machine today, man. This is the farthest I drove here, actually. Oh, y'all. I just, Y'all might like it. Some of y'all might say something. Y'all might say I'm stupid, but I'm taking a risk, man. I can't. It's really kind of dark right now. Well, it ain't dark, but Y'all ain't gonna be able to see it, man. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. So y'all just pay attention. Y'all look, I know it's dark, but I'm finna take a risk, man. I'm finna put this all red gold. It's the same paint I use for the cutlass, man. I'm finna see what this thing will look like. I'm gonna do one reel because if I fuck up, I'm gonna have to buy another wheel. So I'm gonna do one wheel and go from there. Stay tuned. All right, I'm giving y'all a little peek, man. That's all I'm giving y'all, a peek.
The flash ain't on.
The flash need to be on.
Yeah.
What you think? Yeah. So right now, that's kind of how she look right now, y'all. Until I get that, until I get the finish the gold. Y'all can see still got the Canada chrome in it. But until I finish it, then you can see now you can kind of see that gold pop when I get on the face part. So
Don't forget, subscribe to Doing Lifestyle. Let's go.